In our daily lives, most people don't realize how sheet metal and machine parts surround us. Yet, these vital manufacturing processes make up a massive industry and help shape the world we live in.
Sheet metal back in the day was much more driven by the skill set of the employees. A lot of equipment was old, everyone seemed to have old equipment, but now with the automation, it opened up capacities and just made our jobs actually easier, and quality actually got better, and the precision too was so much better than it ever had been before.
So sheet metal fabricating is all around us. Virtually every industry has a need for sheet metal fabricating and machine parts. You can look at telecom industry, there's cell phone towers and water towers, there is surgical tables, aerospace, airplanes have a lot of sheet metal machine parts on them. Virtually every industry has parts that need to either be fabricated or machined.
Industry 4.0 is the implementation of automation into the existing manufacturing processes. So you get your machines talking to each other. You can set up autonomous material handling equipment to move devices or parts from point A to point B within your shop. It eliminates the people, not in a mode where you're eliminating people because you're eliminating jobs, but we have a skilled labor shortage in America. So if we can put some of this automation into our processes and our systems, we can get people that really like to work with the technology engaged, and it helps us both.
The people, processes, and equipment required to make these sheet metal products is substantial and always upgrading. This comes in the form of automation, an opportunity for humans, not a replacement for humans.
We are rapidly implementing Industry 4.0 as much as we can with things such like machine monitoring software on all of our equipment that provides data analytics and dashboards, all of which is integrated into our ERP system, automating every process that we can, both in the manufacturing floor and in the front office. We have several robots as well, and this provides much better quality results and increases the throughput. Our automated quoting software also has artificial intelligence built into it to recognize similar parts and make suggestions to us as we're providing the quotes.
So as we improve our processes and implement this automation to make our systems better and more efficient, we improve our ability to make sheet metal and provide these components for all these industries in the world. And globally, it makes everybody benefit from the process.
All Metals Fabricating strives to be the best and most automated contract manufacturer in the world. They take pride in caring for their employees, serving their customers, and continuing to invest in the most innovative equipment.
So All Metals Fabricating was founded in 1953, and my grandfather acquired it in 1978 with my dad joining him later that year. I joined in 2008, and the company was built on the telecom industry, but we have since changed to basically serve every industry and not just be a sheet metal fabricator, but a full solutions provider. What makes us different is a couple of our core values, which one is whatever it takes. This mentality that was instilled by my grandfather, and it's a slogan I've coined, and it's really become who we are. We do whatever it takes to serve our customers with excellence. And the other aspect that makes us very unique is we care more. We care more about our employees first and foremost, and for our customers and vendors as well. And when people feel cared for, they'll do anything for you.
The reason I've been here for 33 years here at All Metals, I'd say the great opportunities that have been available to me, the growth both personally and professionally, because I came up through the ranks, and then everyone does feel like a family that they brought in. We have many generations here of other families that work for us, so it's that element that everyone feels and is a part of it.
All Metals Fabricating is constantly inspired to serve people with the highest degree of excellence. Their care and innovative technology shapes every aspect of their business and influences the manufacturing industry.
In the future of sheet metal, the newest technologies are 5G and the telecom industry. It's a huge opportunity, and it's going to require deployment of a lot of radios. So there'll be a lot of bracketry, a lot of power storage for these radios. The new energy sources and renewable energy and alternate energy sources are also requiring energy storage, cabinetry, solar panel mounting, a lot of wind turbine mounting. All of that stuff is going to roll through fabrication facilities just like ours. And we're already developing products with customers to solve these issues in the world.
We're striving to be the best and most automated contract manufacturer in the world. And so we are committed to spending $800,000 to $1 million every year for the next 10 years until we get there. It's my honor and privilege to get to carry on the legacy that my grandfather and father built in the way that they care for people in such a radical way and serve our employees and our customers with such excellence. And we're excited for the future.
To learn more and partner with All Metals Fabricating, go to ametals.com and contact us.